Welcome to your beginner's guide to investing in 2025. Whether you're starting from scratch or just getting serious about your money, this video is your no-fluff introduction to investing smartly this year. No jargon, no pressure, just the essentials. Number 1, the rise of digital investing platforms. In 2025, investing is more accessible than ever. Thanks to digital platforms, you don't need a finance degree or a suit to start. Apps like Robinhood, Fidelity Go, Public, and Wealthsimple let you invest directly from your phone. They offer easy interfaces, beginner education tools, and even allow investing in fractional shares. And let's not forget robo-advisors like Betterment or SoFi Invest, which automate your investing based on your goals. You can start investing with as little as $1 to build your financial future. Number 2, what you need to start. Getting started in 2025 is simpler than ever. Here's what you'll need: a bank account for funding, a digital investing platform account, a basic understanding of your financial goals, and just a few dollars. Yes, most platforms let you start immediately. Start small. Learn as you go. Consistency matters more than timing. You are not behind, you are right on time. Number 3, investment options for beginners. As a beginner in 2025, you have a wide range of options. Here are the most popular: index funds and ETFs, low cost, diversified, and great for long-term growth. Individual stocks, higher risk, but offers more control and learning opportunities. Crypto assets, still volatile, but more regulated than ever. Only invest what you can afford to lose. YouTube, digital real estate investment channel, a way to invest in real estate without owning property. You own digital property. High-yield savings and bonds, lower return, but very low risk. Great for balance. Number 4, managing the risk in 2025. Investing always comes with risk, but smart strategies help manage it. For beginners, here are a few. Diversify. Don't put all your money in one place. Spread it across stocks, funds, and even sectors. Start small. Begin with what you're comfortable losing. Learn before you scale. Dollar cost averaging. Invest a fixed amount regularly. This reduces the impact of market volatility. Emergency fund first. Always have 3 to 6 months of expenses saved before going big on investments. Use stop-loss orders if trading. Automate limits on losses to protect yourself emotionally and financially. Always remember, starting and staying consistent is the only thing that matters from this point on. You can do it. Number 5, choosing the right platform. Not all platforms are equal. Here's how to pick the right one for yourself. User experience. Look for apps designed for beginners, with clean interfaces. Can you download an app? How can I withdraw if needed? Watch out for trading commissions, withdrawal fees, and account minimums. Read the small prints. Education tools. Choose platforms that teach you while you invest. Learn as you go. Everyone is not going to know everything. Just start, bump your head. Get back up, and stay the course. Support options. Live chat, FAQs, and robo-advisors can save you time. Ask for help. Do your research. Guard your hard-earned and smart-earned money. Regulation. Make sure your platform is insured and follows financial compliance rules. Investing in 2025 is more approachable than ever, but the key is to start smart, stay consistent, and keep learning. Investing in 2025 is more approachable than ever. The key is to start small, stay consistent, stay curious, and most importantly, be consistent. If this guide helped simplify things for you or motivated you to take that next step, hit that like button so others can find this video too. I'd love to hear from you. Backhand index pointing right, what's one investment you're considering this year? Or do you still have questions before jumping in? Any investments you want me to review before you jump in? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I reply to as many as I can. For more beginner-friendly investing content, subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your investing journey.